Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Hyundai Genesis G80. This one is gray. Underneath here is a 3.8 V6 pushing out 311 horsepower and 293 pounds of torque. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch multi-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Ivory leather interior, pano sunroof. Come around back, G80 3.8 H-track badging, power liftgate, set of clean floor mats, fold down rear seats. This one does come with a blind spot assist, keyless entry, memory seats, power windows, power seats. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, USB and auxiliary, wireless charging, heated and cooled seats for our passenger and driver's side. More hard keys for a media display. This G80 has 28,192 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Hyundai Genesis G80, check out feldmannimports.com.